Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ki Nonghikai School SSE hene kasngi habakren bat kilat pathai khubor hasulong press klom. Kilayay pensngau ya ki artli ki mat naka Sorkar jella. Kawai kalong bandawa halor ka Tulop ka basa kumbasan banai bat ru hakabaya dei bat ka jing panlong ka seng ya ki jing yakhi. Ka seng kan om syong that bat om Sangeh Katba ka Sorkar jella kampat Pyllait ya ka Tulop basa. Nakaliang kinong yalam kinong hikai SSE hadian bakila ap katu kat nipor bantip ya kajing shisha halor katai kapisa kaba iway pan sauklor tengka kaba kilawat jingtem lang baka RTI banyo ya kajing shisha.
Related to two issues. Okay? One is regarding the amount of 104 crores, which is a fund lying with the state government, which is a capping norm that is to be borne by the state government for payment of SSA teachers' salary. And number two is regarding the non-cooperation movement, which we have already launched since December last year. So let us first go with the first one, that is regarding the amount of 104 crores. So as you all are aware that the salary of the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya is pending for almost 5 months. Last time during December last year, the state government have released a 2 month salary, that is for the month of August and September. And our salary is pending from the month of October, November, December, January and February is running. So regarding this issue, on 16 November 2021, we have sent a letter to the state government through the Secretary Education, Sir Ambrose Mara, suggesting the state government to release the additional fund to be borne by the state government amounting rupees 104 crores, which is still lying in the account of the state government for a period of last 3 years. Approved by the Project Approval Board, Government of India, for payment of SSA teacher salary is 266 crores 10 lakhs. 266 crores 10 lakhs. And the additional amount which is to be borne by the state government annually, it comes to around 32 crores 19 lakhs 38,722. Okay, 32 crores 19 lakh 38,724 rupees. This is the additional amount which is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya as per capping norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for payment of SSA teachers' salary. So why there is a gap here? See, as per the financial norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it is clearly mentioned that the central government will support the salary for payment of SSA teachers is rupees 15,000 per month per teachers for lower primary teachers. So the state government pay us 19,044 rupees, which means that the additional amount, that is 4,044 rupees, is to be borne by the state government from the state budget. And for upper primary, the government of India say that they will support a financial support for payment of SSA teacher salary 20,000 per month per teachers, whereas in our state of Meghalaya we are getting a salary at a rate of 20,493 rupees per month per teachers. Our primary teachers, there are 5,814 in numbers. So monthly the state government pay us 19,044 rupees per teachers. Okay, so if we calculate this amount with the total number of teachers annually, it comes to around 132 crores 86 lakhs 61,792 2. Okay, and the amount which approved by the project approval board, Government of India, it is rupees. Okay, for UP there are 6,727 teachers. So the salary paid by the state government is 20,493 per month per teachers. So annually, if we calculate, it comes to around 165 crores, 42,76,932 rupees. So if we total both lower primary and upper primary, the fund needed for payment of SSE teachers annually, it comes to 298 crores 29 lakhs 38,724 rupees. Women are saying that they are waiting for the second installment from the Government of India so that they will be in position to pay our 5 months pending salary. Now we put a question to the state government. Why not, instead of waiting for second installments, we SSA teachers at present we suffer a lot. Instead of waiting for the second installment from the Government of India, why not release this amount of 104 crores which is lying with the state government for a period of 3 years? This is what we have suggested from the association. And regarding our suggestion, on 18 November 2021, the Secretary Education Government of Meghalaya, Sir Amras Marak, have sent our proposal to the Finance Department of the Government of Meghalaya, requesting them to take immediate action and to release this additional fund amounting rupees 104 crores, which is to be borne by the state government from the state budget as per the capping norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Incidentally, it may be mentioned that the Finance Department, white letter number dated 4th March 2020, agreed to release rupees 34.10 crores against capping norms of teachers' salary for the financial year 2019-20, but as of date, the same has not been released. Similarly, additional fund of rupees 33.946 crores against capping norms of teachers' salary for the financial year 2020-21 has also not been released, although SIMAM paid teachers' salary as per existing rate by taking loan in anticipation of receipt of fund from the state government. See, here it is clearly mentioned that the state have agreed to pay this additional amount. But it is very surprised to see here that though the state have agreed, the same was not released till date. So we want to raise a question to the state government why they are not releasing this fund amounting rupees 104 crores so that the office of the state project director will be in a position to pay our pending 5 months salary. A financial support, a funding pattern between the center and the state government of 90:10 ratio. But as per the letter sent by the Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India, Sir Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, on 22nd January 2021, he mentioned clearly regarding the capping norms whose responsibility is it falls under whose responsibility. Here, according to this letter, see here it is according to this letter, it is clearly mentioned here that as regards capping norm of salary of teachers under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it is informed that while finalizing the scheme, representatives of all states and UTs were requested to share their views, suggestion on the concept note and the design of the scheme. The suggestion comments of the state UTs on the concept note for the proposed integrated scheme for school education were accommodated in the scheme. It will continue till the state government release our pending salary. We just want to remind our beloved SSE teachers that the non-cooperation movement against all the activities and program of the state government, it will continue till the state government release all our pending salary. After the state government release our pending salary, we will withdraw our non-cooperation movement. Till then, it will be continued as it is.